Yes guys, and welcome to Just How Do I Do It. In this video I'm going to show you how to actually do it. Yeah! That sounds a bit weird. Anyway, in this video I'm going to show you how to add mods to BeamNG.Drive, whether that's cars, vans, houses, well not really houses, but maps, and stuff like that. Obviously engine parts, car upgrades, body kits, you name it. Porsches, Ferrari, well you can't get Ferraris actually because BeamNG stopped it. Not BeamNG, Ferrari stopped it, sorry. I think Ferrari stopped BeamNG from doing it from Modland. Yeah. Anyway, you can get Lamborghinis and all sorts of other stuff like that. BMWs, Mercedes, you get the picture. Anyway, what you want to do first is make sure you've got BeamNG.Drive. Make sure you own it, make sure it's on Steam, because obviously it is a paid game, and I think it's only about 20 quid. So if you don't actually own it, make sure you buy it, because it is a brilliant game. This is not a sponsored video by BeamNG, because, well, they probably don't like me. But yeah, anyway, what I'm going to do is show you how to do it. Make sure it's installed, and you're good to go. Boom. What you want to do is go to Internet Explorer or Googly Google, and you want to type in BeamNG mods. And obviously you type in that, and that seems simple, doesn't it? Because it is. And then the top one that comes up is BeamNG.Drive mods on Modland. Now, you've got mods down here. Some of them are paid mods. You do have to actually pay for some of them. So don't be alarmed if it says, you have to join a Discord or you have to, help the creator out, obviously who made the mod, by, supporting them by giving them like £3 or something. Anyway, type in, let's say, BMW. Come down. Oh, I like that. That's quite nice, actually. Oh, yeah, I do like that, actually. And then obviously, you click on it, click close and all that other rubbish. And obviously you click on direct download, if it's there, obviously. Sometimes it will obviously say Modsfire or something. You just click on it, it'll take you to a different site, and it'll say generate download link, and then you click on your download link, and that's how you do it. Anyway, you download that. Direct links, obviously direct downloads are way, way easier. And I mean, way easier. Because I will demonstrate to you right now how frustrating other ones can be. Now, look, this one here, Modsfire. You click on it, that's the mod. Continue to external site. It might say you're probably going to get hacked or whatever rubbish, and you just want to ignore that. Obviously, seeing all these adverts, there's so many, but you can just delete your browsing data after if you don't want all these things to know where you are, stuff like that. Anyway, generate link. Obviously, it'll generate it, and sometimes, it'll be quick, sometimes it'll be slow, depending on where you are in the world, I would imagine. No, I'm joking. Depends on your PC. Click on download link. And as you can see, it'll say download. You click on it, but then it'll load up another page to click on something. You click the X on that, go back to this, press download, and then you can download it. You see, when I first started adding mods to BeamNG, right, it was so frustrating because I would want a mod, but then it'd say get it from Modsfire. So I'd click on it, and then it'd take me to a stupid bloody site like download this, because this will fix your PC and it'll make it super quick. It won't. It's a load of crap. Don't listen to that. Don't listen to any of it at all, because it's a joke. Anyway, I didn't download mods back then because I thought, oh well, it's not working. No, I just had to click the X, and then it'd take me back, and then it'd allow me to click on the download link. You know what I mean? Anyway, what you want to do is minimize that. Obviously, you don't want to close it completely because we're going to need that in a second. Once you've downloaded BeamNG, you will obviously have to click on it. Now, to add the mods, you go to Manage User Folder, Open User Folder, and then you'll have mods. And then obviously I've added a Range Rover earlier on just to make sure it was all working so then I could do this video. Now, obviously, as you can see, I've only got a Land Rover mod in there. I haven't got anything else in there. That's just that. I don't know what this is. I think that's just writing or something. Obviously, once you've got the mods folder, you can then obviously add the mods in, but you won't have the mods folder. And the reason why is because you need to launch the game first. As soon as you've downloaded the game, if it's the first time if you're downloading it and you haven't clicked on the game, you need to make sure you click on the game first. Once you click on the game, you load it up, and then you can just quit out of it. And then the mods folder will actually appear. It's weird. Yeah, it is very weird. We'll put that over there. This is the way that I like to do it. So obviously you've got your mods folder here. Click on this with 3 lines, 3 dots. Click on downloads, and as you can see, here are our cars. There's 1, and there's 2. I always click this reload thing just so then it can sort out the alphabetical order. You don't have to do that, it's just something I do. Maybe I've just got OCD or something. And once you've done that, click X off of it all, launch the game, and, well, you're about to find out. Bloody hell, that scared me. Da-ding! Auto HDR. Thank you very much, sir. I love to have some auto HDR, me. Right. Once you're actually in the game, obviously, you click on free roam, if that's what you want to do. And then obviously, you click on a map. I don't know, let's say this one. And this one. And next step. And as you can see, this is the car we had earlier. The yellow one. The yellow BMW. This is the yellow BMW. It's not actually yellow, because obviously you can actually click on it and you can actually go back. If you go back, you click on it once instead of double clicking, and obviously you've got all the other ones, loads of different ones, you know what I mean? And there you go. And obviously this doesn't work for all mods. Some mods, you know, even if you do it right, some of them are just like, don't know what, mate. Nah, I'm too outdated. You know what I'm saying? I'm outdated. I'm an old man. And then it don't work. So just make sure. The best thing to do is when you go to the mod land and you type in, let's say, BMW or something, if you go to the filter, once you've typed in BMW, after you click search in that, it then says, obviously, you can choose to the highest rating or something like that. It's always good to do, because if it's the highest rated, it's more than likely the most used. And obviously it tells you the downloads of how many people have downloaded it. So if you want to either do the most downloaded, you can, or if you want to do the most rated, you also can. And obviously, here we have our other car. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. And that's it. That's literally it. And then obviously once you've chose what car you want to actually drive, you can then just drive that car, like in the game. And obviously you choose your map and that. You don't have to go on the same map as me. And yeah, that's just a short video on how to do it. Well, it's probably not that short because I've just talked about a load of rubbish. But it's always good to obviously let people know. Because if you just went onto Modland, got mods, where would you put them? You know what I mean? Like, you don't know that you would have to load the game up first. Unless you searched on Google, like, how do I add mods, blah, 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 and then watch a YouTube video, which is why I'm here. So, anyway, thanks for watching. I really appreciate the support, which I haven't really got much of. But I do appreciate it. Whether I get 2 views or 3 views on this video, it's all worth it in the end. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button, and comment below if I helped you, because it does mean a lot, and it does really help. So make sure you do subscribe. Do not forget. I will tell you again. Subscribe to channel, right? Cool. Anyway, see you in a bit. Bye.